Raindrops falling on the ground, whisper softly, a gentle sound. Every drop seems to speak to me, bringing calm and serenity. Rain is singing a song of life, washing the pain, bringing the light. Behind the clouds, the sun will rise. Rain teaches me to believe in the skies. The breeze is dancing through the trees, the leaves are swaying with melodies, as if the earth and the sky agree to play this tune in harmony. Rain is singing a song of life, washing the pain, bringing the light. Behind the clouds, the sun will rise. Rain teaches me to believe in the skies.